Good day, everyone. I proudly want to share you, especially for the fresh new drivers who have just bought the Toyota Prius 2nd generation and wonder how to start the engine and drive. First thing you have to do, you have to put your foot on the brake and push down. Then you have to push the power button and wait for a few seconds until you see the word ready on the dashboard turns to green. Make sure you turn the air conditioner so you can breathe in the car. You still have to keep your foot on the brake. And push the little transmission stick to the left, then push down. You will see the letter D is selected on the dashboard. After that you can drive as a human. When you stop the car, you have to make sure your car is not moving by applying the brake. Then push the P button, meaning to park your car. And push the power button again to stop the engine. Don't forget to unlock your door and get out. Make sure you press the small black button, the door hand, to lock your car. Thank you for watching until the end of this video.